how to change phone number on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your phone number on Facebook after the latest updates. Now, after the latest updates, what you can do is you can open up Facebook, tap on the three horizontal line icon, and then scroll down and head into settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. Basically, you want to head into settings. Once in settings, you can see the very first option, account center. After the latest update, you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll get this list. You want to tap on the option that says personal details. On personal details, you can see your contact info. You want to tap on it, and then what you want to do is, in order to add a new contact, you can tap on add new contact, and you can add your mobile number or email address here. However, if you wish to remove the previous one, you can tap on the previous number here, and you'll get the option to delete number. Simply tap on delete, enter in your password, and your phone number previous one will be deleted. So this way you can change your phone number on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.